What do you do if your kids don't want to share their play area? Oh no! You need to start building!
Oh.
Each kid should have their own house. Lily and Jane are on the case. Let's get started. And we need a building site. How about a green lawn? Now the room is full of bright colors. It's so cozy in here. But why is the blue sky so cloudless? We can change, Lily. Cut fluffy clouds out of paper. Attach them to the wall. There you go. That's much better. Now it's like Wonderland. Back to work. The tools are in place. This house has to be super creative. A knight's fortress. Oh no, a princess's palace. Sweet and cute. Okay then, work on your own thing. Let's get to work. Jane already has a construction plan ready. The frame of the house will be wood. Let's put the wood planks around the perimeter. Make it big, like a palace. Connect the plank's edges with a metal corner. Anyone can do this. It's time to build the walls. Jane is working hard. There's still so much to do. And, of course, we need a roof. We don't want a rainstorm to spoil our games. The wooden frame for the palace is ready. Jane aced it. And Lily chose a different building material. Styrofoam. Take one large sheet and cut it into 4 pieces. Let's build the house out of these blocks, but it's kind of boring, right? So, let's improvise. Cut out a lot of little circles and glue them to the building blocks. Looks exactly like Legos. Now we have to paint it. Make sure there's a lot of bright colors. Building a house out of Legos? That's super fun, especially for a kid. Here comes Max, the little helper. It's more fun to work together, and we don't need a single nail. We'll just glue the blocks together. You did a great job. The walls are almost finished. Soon, there will be a work of architectural art out here. What is the most important thing in the house? The walls, obviously. I need a little helper. Valerie, you are just in time. Give me a hand. Just take the plastic panels and attach them to the frame. This is going to be fast and easy. The girls aren't used to sitting still. The little princess's palace turned out amazing. Simple but tasteful. Except the roof doesn't look good. What can I do? I have a great idea. Of course. Cardboard tiles! Just put them on the roof. We're pros, so it's easy. But it's too early to relax. The roof of the palace has to be pink. The princesses will love it. We are real artists. Great job. Teamwork makes the dream work. But the princess wants more. What about the interior of the palace? Whatever you want. Let's start decorating the house. Choose the right wallpaper. Cut it to the height of the walls and glue it. Wow! The house looks so different now. The Lego fortress will also be beautiful inside. Lily already has a couple of ideas. We don't need wallpaper. We'll use colored plastic with pictures of Lego. All we have to do is cut everything off. These decorations match the house perfectly. Now attach the plastic to the foam walls. Yay! We did it! This is a fortress every knight would love to defend. The princesses prefer elegant decor, like flowers. Let's decorate the door with a wreath and put a whole vase on the windowsill. Pink curtains will make the room cozier. Hang them on the window and the door. Done! What about the furniture? This table will come in handy. Where else will the princess have her tea parties? The walls can be decorated with bright Barbie posters. You can never have too much pink. Hang garlands on the main wall. And bring in the rest of the furniture. The palace looks adorable. Can I invite my friends over? Just wait! Let's make the house even more beautiful! Decorate the outside walls with sweet applications! Oh yes! We have flags! Let's hang them on the roof! Now we can see the palace from far away! Mission accomplished! But the fortress's decor isn't done yet. This is going to be complicated. Let's paint large plastic jars yellow and draw faces on them. They look just like Lego people. But it's not just a decoration. It's practical. This is where we will store the entire Lego collection. And what else should go in here? Let's start with the posters. Pirates, welcome aboard! Let's keep working, partner. There must be a table and chair in the lodge. And, of course, Lego supplies! And the shelf can be made of blocks. We'll put it in the corner. Phew, that was tough. The house is ready, but there's something else we need to do. Give me your glasses. We're going to do some magic on them. Glue Lego pieces to the glasses. Don't be shy. Use your imagination. Look what we got. Do you like them? Oh, yes. No Lego fan could refuse such an accessory. Come on, everybody! There's a candy sale in the princess's palace! It's a whole sweet fest! Come and get it! Did somebody say, candy? I'm on my way! A true knight will always find what he's searching for! Oh, look at all this stuff! But let's start with the candy! The sweet business idea is already making its first profit! What can you do for fun in the fortress? Play with Legos, obviously. Think outside the box. When you have the right pieces, you can build anything. Here come the first guests. Hello, this is an emergency. I need a phone stand so I can watch my favorite channel. Let's see what our young engineer can do. Here we go. This goes here. And we'll put that part here. A stand on wheels. How original! Time to test the invention. Just place the phone on the stand and secure it with the tentacle holders. How convenient! Let's watch. The palace is having guests today. Come in. Wow! This house is so pink. It's obvious that a real princess did the decorating. And the first thing on the list is drawing. There's a whole collection of markers in here. Pick whichever one you like. Can we play with dolls now? Oh no, don't even ask. Knights don't do that. Then let's blow 1,000,000 bubbles. Now that's more interesting. Catch it. You have to leave your hiding places once in a while. Want to play on the lawn? That's a good idea. Let's just bring some fun games with us. Let's build a tower and get started. You can play Jenga forever or until the tower collapses. People can also play ball on the lawn in the yard. And we have the biggest ball in the world. Woohoo! This is so much fun. The kids are a little overexcited. Kids, stop! We are going to have a picnic now, and we won't have to go anywhere. We'll do it right on the lawn. Make yourselves comfortable. Who wants tea? That's delicious. The cakes are so good. Building, playing, and eating. It's all so exhausting. Time for bed. Peace and quiet at last. Good work, bestie. What house did you like more? The Princess Castle or the Lego Fortress? Tell us in the comments. Did you like our building instructions? Then give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you won't miss more funny ideas on Troom Wow!